Morning, everybody. I'm in Sequim, Washington today. This is on the Olympic Peninsula, and I'm at the Dungeness River Nature Center. I came by yesterday and it was around 4:30 and it was windy and it was starting to get dark, so I decided I want to come back again this morning and visit. Overnight we had snow around a 1/4 inch. It's around 30 degrees. It's a beautiful morning. I don't think the Nature Center is open yet, but it's right on the banks of the Dungeness River, and it's where the Olympic Nature Trail crosses the river. There's a beautiful bridge, and so I wanted to go check it out. The Nature Center is a partnership with the Audubon Society and the Jamestown Sklallam tribe. This new building was just opened in June 2022. We're on the Olympic Discovery Trail. The old section of the bridge here was the Milwaukee Railroad bridge, and it was in operation from 1915 to 1980. From what I read online, this was the Dungeness main channel. Up until 2014, there was a flood, and then the channel moved out towards the west more. So the river used to go mainly under this old train trestle. And this is an accessible trail. There were no steps to get onto the trail, and it's nicely paved. I can hear the main channel of the river up ahead. So yesterday I came and walked here, and it's 3/10 of a mile, 0.3, the whole bridge structure. The Nature Center has public bird walks every Wednesday morning at 8:30. Meet in the parking lot, and the public is welcome to join. They recommend bringing binoculars. Okay, I'm coming to the edge of the bridge section here, and the Olympic Discovery Trail goes on for miles along the peninsula here. I've done one small section. I can put a link to that. I did about 4-mile section by Lake Crescent. Here's what the bridge area looks like as you approach it, and now I'm walking east, basically. It's a beautiful morning. I looked up a few facts about the Dungeness River. It's 28 miles long, starts up at Mount Constance, and it empties out into the Strait of Juan de Fuca behind the Dungeness Spit. There are 4 species of fish that live in this river. That would be the Chinook and the summer chum salmon, steelhead, and bull trout, which are threatened.